Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the air carbon filter on your Honda Accord Euro 2007. So first we just need to open up the glove box, and on each side here there is a clip that you need to push in like that, right there. So push it all the way in, and you do the same on this side as well. You push it all the way in and then you pull it out. It's easy if you can do it both at the same time on both hands, and this will allow you to open up the glove box. It will come out just like this, and in here is the air filter right here. So on each side there is a small clip that you need to push in. So here we just push it in like this, and then using two hands you push one on here and one over here. Now using two hands, pushing both sides, and then you can pull it out. So you just pull out the air filter just like this. Just watch out of the cables, the electrical cables, okay? So make sure they are not in the way. And that's it. Okay, so that's how you can move the carbon air filter for your Honda Accord 2007. After that, you can replace it, or you can just put it back in like so. Just be careful of the electrical wire. You need to move it out of the way, and then just push it right in, and then you can close the glove box just like this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.